Today we will start our new chapter in Honeysuckle, chapter number 3, Tarot Reward.
So, we will start the summary of the chapter. But before I start the summary of the chapter, let us have a small introduction about this story is based on. The story is about thoughtful and loving son. He worked hard to fulfill his parents' wishes and get some unexpected help. So, I'm starting the summary of the chapter. Tarot Reward is a popular fairy tale in Japan. It is a story of a son, Taro, who wants to fulfill the wishes of his father. Taro was a poor boy. He earned money by chopping the woods from the jungle, but the money he earned was not sufficient for him and his parent. One day it started blowing cold winds. All the peoples in the home felt cold due to winds passing from the cracks of the wooden houses. His father wishes if he could have some sake to drink. Sake is a popular and costly drink of Japan. The appearance of the magical waterfall. Now, story had proceed. Taro was sad. As I earlier, we see that Taro's father want a sake as to drink as his wish. After listening the wish of his father, Taro was sad as he did not have money to buy expensive sake. He decided to work hard. Next day, he woke up early and went to the forest to chop the woods. Suddenly, he heard the sound of falling water. It perplexed him as there was no river here earlier. Means he had a sound heard of falling water, but there was no river is there. Since he was also thirsty, he followed the sound where it came of water. Soon he found a waterfall behind the rocks. He went near to the fall and put his hands in the water. To his surprise, or we can say amaze, or you can use the word surprise, he discovered that the water was not water but sake. He became happy and filled some sake in his pitcher. Here, pitcher means the pot. Upon reaching the house, he gave the sake to his father. The father sipped and shook and started dancing with joy. Now, after that incident, a neighbors came in the evening. Father offered a cup of sake. The woman happily took the sake. Father told her about all the incident which happened with Taro? Now this woman spread the news to all the peoples in the village. Every villager rushes to the Taro's house and tasted the sake. Next morning, Taro again wake up early and he found the biggest preacher, or we can say the biggest pot, and went to the waterfall. Now he is surprised that he found that all the other villagers were also going to the fall. Soon the people reaches the fall and tasted the sake. But they found that water of the fall was sake not, but it was plain water. People became angry and decided to draw Taro in the fall. Taro hid behind the rocks and waited till all the villagers went to the home. Now he tasted the water once again, but now he is surprised. He still felt that it was sake. The fall was given Taro a sake, while other villagers it was given plain water. After this incident, the story of Taro care for his parents reaches the king. He awarded the Taro 20 pieces of gold to encourage the other children to take care of their parents. Now, at the end, moral of the story is we should take care of our parents and elders. God helps only those person who takes good care of their parents. Thank you.